Hi, and welcome to my video on how Promo Kit Powerup can help you increase your Thinkific course sales. In this series, I'm going to continue where I left off from previous videos and talk about some changes and updates for the Thinkific Promo Kit Powerup. Since the last video, there has been some additional sections added to the promo kit. So if you are a promo kit member, you'll see these when you are set. As of right now, there are now 4 more sections, which brings the total to 11. So when I talk about sections, the idea is that each of the sections features a different kind of call to action style to help you offer promos, tease promotions, with the ultimate goal of selling more courses. So I'm going to do a little bit of a different format than the previous videos. Instead of going through each one in depth, I'm going to just give an overview on each ones from 7 through 11. The reason why is because the setup for each of these sections is very similar to the other power-ups. So if you watch the other videos, they are really essentially the same. The most important thing to know is which page you will install these and set up these sections on. And as I've talked about before, I don't recommend them to go on your all courses page for these ones, especially from 7 to 11, because these call to actions with countdown timers and banners, they can clutter the all courses page. That's why I really recommend adding promos custom page. So if you go to your Thinkific site builder, you can go to custom pages and create a specific promotions page and then send that link when you're starting and running your email campaign. With a custom page, you really have the option to take these sections and really customize the look and brand to that specific page. It also makes it much more focused, much more clear what your promotion is, and it really allows your potential customer and buyer to see what you have to offer in very front and center and very easy to read manner. And so the idea is it really captures attention, conveys urgency, and really is very visible what your offer and promotion is. So I'm going to go through each of them separately and talk a little bit about the advantages and use case in which you may decide which section is right for your business. So again, the goal of each of these sections is to help you choose between different styles and different ways of offering and letting your buyers, potential buyers and customers know about promotions. So section 7 is really unique in that it focuses on a single call to action with a timer. So as you see from this kind of template, you have a countdown timer, which is really powerful and really commonly used in online sales or any kind of sales. Because if you think about when someone gives you a deadline, you really have to make a more quicker decision than if you didn't have a deadline. So the cool thing with this timer is that it counts down. Let's just say I'm trying to run a Black Friday promotion and I have X amount of days. This countdown clock will display every time someone sees it. So you can revisit and use this page in your email campaigns to send people here so that they can always revisit how much time that they have left before the promotion ends. And the neat thing about this power up, as with previous other sections, is that the language and the styles can all be customized. So I'll just quickly show you, like in the headings, the text, instead of a one-time payment, you can say, one-time payment, you could say Black Friday special price, you could say special price. You don't have to use the language of Black Friday if your customers don't really buy during Black Friday. So you can play around with all of that. And then set up the countdown timers to a specific date and time. And so that's really easy. Instead of having to worry about the configuration, it's all done within Thinkific, and it's very simple and very easy. And then the buttons, the reminder, the text can be customized. So it says grab it now. You can change it to whatever. And these colors as well should be tailored and customized to your brand, to your business, so that it really all matches up and it's very consistent. And then this section, this is if you don't like the way these styles are, you can remove or add extra padding. So that is 7. Let's now take a look at 8. So 7 is a single countdown timer. Now I'm going to go and focus on 8. Okay, now 8 is really different than the countdown timer. It really is focused on more of an animated way to showcase your promotion. So As you see here, this is like a video background combined with a timer that it really just gives your page a bit of a pop. And so if you're looking for something that really is very eye-grabbing and attention-grabbing, this is what I would suggest you consider adding for your promotions page. And the video, you can edit here and use a video and grab the image from a specific thumbnail. The point is these are all just defaults, but when you customize them, they look really nice. But only do this if you have a video. If you don't have a promotional video and it takes you too much time to create one, then I don't recommend. So now let's just take a look at 9. And so what I'm going to have to do is remove 8 and add each one individually so that you don't get confused. So 9 is really neat. You have this top menu navigation or top heading bar that really captures and can be added to your promos page. So if you want to combine a kit section, so what you could do, you could have 8 with the video, and then you could have this 9 also at the top so that people see the most important one that you want to offer, which is like a blanket general coupon code, and then you could have 8 with the video as well. So there's a lot of unique ways that you can customize, and that's why I really like these different sections. Very personal and very customized to your business and can allow you to do a lot of neat things. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like when I add 8. So now I just want to quickly show you 8 and 9 when they are used in conjunction, how it's really cool because I may notice the video, but then this bar at the top really reminds me like, okay, let's not get distracted by this video and confetti. Let me just see, okay, there is 10% off all courses with a coupon code and grab the code so I don't forget. So that's 8 and 9 together, which I think can be really powerful if you want to maximize different discounts and different promotions. And so now I'm going to show you 10 and 11. So you've heard me talk about how you can use different techniques and strategies, and not just within these sections, adding links to the checkout pages or bundle pages or other landing pages, but you can also use the funnel kit, which is another section often, to grab leads for a new product that you're thinking of launching. So similarly, 10 is helping you grab emails and leads, contact information so that you can tease an upcoming launch and an upcoming product. And so this is the cool thing is because when you think about it, there's a lot of software for like lead magnet and promotions. And with section 10, you really get the bonus of not having to make too many customizations. You just add section 10 and then choose the opt-in type. So do you want to opt into Thinkific, or do you have a custom, like when they fill it in, do you want them to grab the information into Thinkific, or do you have a specific other through MailChimp or through whichever other software, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, etc. And then the neat thing is with this, if you choose to have them opt in to Thinkific, you can change these texts. I've said this before, it really is meant to be very personalized and very customized. And so if your business is more B2B, you may not necessarily use some of these. I think these are more geared towards B2C businesses on Thinkific. And then you can have the placeholder for email address and then customize the color, the text, and say you are a part of the Insiders Club. So this is just an example of how you can use section 10 to grab more leads on this page. And then the last thing I want to say is that this is a little bit nice in that it also adds the urgency. So you're trying to run a specific promotion leading up to a launch or of a new product. And not only do you want to capture emails, but you also want to grab urgency to say, hey, I am offering this new ebook, grab now before I close the cart or close the door, or I no longer offer it because I just want a limited amount of people to test it out. And so the combination of an opt-in and an urgency countdown is really powerful to convey that kind of call to action. And then now I'm going to delete this and show you 11 and then wrap it up and give you a chance to then decide which one is best for your business. So I'm going to type in kit and I'm going to look for 11. So as we can tell, 11 is a little bit of a blend of the other sections. Let me click save first. So with 11, you get the bonus of this top coupon code. You can offer that coupon code, but it also adds a countdown timer. And so it's really neat because it's merging a couple of different sections into one section. And so if you're thinking about it, this would not be as effective on just a standalone page. And so what I would do is add this to my all courses page so that when someone is potentially browsing the products, then they can see the urgency of a coupon code and a time sensitive. So that was just an example to show you that I don't recommend putting it on the promos page, because unless you plan to add more content or more sections about other promos on this page, then it's best on the all courses page. So I'll go back to my all courses and remove the other sections. Okay, so now you see on this all courses page, when I add the section 11 from the kit, it has a nice banner here at the top that shows the coupon code and the countdown timer. So that's just a general overview on the sections 7 through 11. Some of them are best when you use them in combination on a promos page, but also some of these, like section 11 from promo kit section 11, really work on the all courses page, so that when someone is browsing your page, they're getting more of an added with a coupon code and a countdown timer that really reminds them that there's a limited window of opportunity and here's a discount code just for you. So that is a wrap on these sections. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.